Hi guys, today I decided to show you my new headphones, inner headphones. So it's Sennheiser CX. So let's just review our package firstly. We will see that we have a original mark, Sennheiser mark here. This headphones has 2-year warranty from Sennheiser. Yeah, we can see this here. So what else? We have short information about our headphones right here. So it was important for me to have a microphone. So it has microphone with remote call and music control. It's pretty cool. And we have 3 ear adapter sizes in our package. Cool. So I have not opened it yet, so let's open it with you guys. We can see that's open right here. Okay, cool. And let's see what we have in the package. Cool. And we have a plastic box here and our headphones. So let's just see what we have there. We can remove these boxes. Cool. And we have small size, I think, adapter and large size. And we have our medium size on our headphones. Cool. So we have instruction here. I will not open, it's boring. So let's take a look at our headphones. Cool. Let's just get out of the box. Okay, I finally got it, and let's take a closer look at our headphones. We have a Sennheiser logo right here. We have R and L right here, and we can see that we have small raised signs only on the left earphone, so we can easily determine where we have left earphone and right earphone. We have medium size adapter on our earphone by default. So of course we have microphone here, and we can see that there is a Sennheiser and our model and our line button here. And if we will see in our instruction, we'll see that we can use it to play and stop our music, speed up, and for call control. So to be full about these earphones, you can see technical information right now. Cool. And it costs about $30, and it's pretty cool price for Sennheiser. And I will attach the link to this one on Amazon, so check it out. And let's just listen to music, and let's test the microphone, and you will be able to understand how good this microphone is. And I think that it will be useful for somebody. So guys, right now you can hear how microphone is good. I think that's pretty cool for this price, for these earphones. And what about sound? I just say that it's fantastic. Yeah, for this price, for these earphones, for my needs, I think it's pretty cool. As you can see, I have headphone from Sony. It's MDR 310, and I have had this more than 5 years, I think, and it's pretty cool for me. But these earphones, it's just fantastic for grip, for a lot of calls, and even for gaming. I have tested these earphones with such songs from Hollywood and Ed Sheeran, One Republic, and songs sound even better than I expected. So if you like music with deep music with instrumental, vocal, and basses, it will be fantastic for you. You will be satisfied. There are such models as CX 100, CX 300, and I'm sure if you want to have just good music in your ears, you have not to buy more expensive models like this one, CX 100, 300. Just buy this one and you will be satisfied. By the way, I tested earphones on my phone Galaxy A7 and iPad Air 2. And some words about volume. I was listening it with about 50-60%. It was low, so I'm pretty excited. So if you like listen to music as loud as possible, you will not be disappointed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.